Optoma UHZ36 4K Laser Projector Review. 30,000 hours and 4.2 millisecond gaming that changed everything. Ever tried watching a movie on your projector, only to realize the lamp dimmed so much you can barely see the dark scenes? Last month, a friend called me mid-movie night, frustrated because his projector died 2 hours into a marathon with guests over. The embarrassment was real. You deserve better than constant lamp anxiety and fading brightness. Sound familiar to anyone watching right now? Here's what living with lamp-based projectors actually cost you. Every few thousand hours, you're dropping hundreds on replacement lamps. The brain fog from tracking lamp hours and budgeting replacements is exhausting. Gaming feels sluggish because input lag kills your reaction time. You've tried budget projectors and regretted it instantly. But there's a calmer, smarter way forward without those headaches. Then everything changed when I found the Optoma UHZ36 4K UHD laser projector. Don't just pick any home theater projector. Make sure it has a Duracore laser light source with a 30,000-hour lifespan, so you never waste time on expensive lamp replacements, dimming brightness, or constant maintenance again. I hooked this up in my media room and immediately noticed the difference. Native 4K resolution delivered sharp, cinema-quality images on my 120-inch screen, while 3,600 laser lumens kept everything vibrant, even with lights partially on. The HDR10 support brought stunning contrast and deep blacks I'd never seen from a projector before. Here's what surprised me most. The 4.2 millisecond input lag at 1080p at 240 Hz transformed gaming entirely. I played competitive shooters on a massive screen with zero perceptible delay, something I thought was impossible. The 1.6 times optical zoom and vertical lens shift made installation effortless, and instant on-off meant no more waiting for warm-up or cool-down cycles. Picture a dad setting up movie night in 60 seconds flat instead of stressing over equipment. That's real control. Long-term, zero lamp costs over decades. 6 months in, here's what daily life looks like. Movie nights feel cinematic. Colors pop, details shine, and HDR highlights genuinely impress. A home theater expert called the UHZ36 a benchmark for bright room 4K projection with legitimately impactful laser lumens allowing vibrant HDR-capable images even with moderate ambient light. A gaming influencer said the 4.2 milliseconds input lag at 1080p at 240 Hz is a game changer for competitive gaming, providing responsiveness previously unseen in projectors at this price point. An industry analyst noted Optoma strategically targets the convergence of premium cinema and serious gaming with Duracore laser, providing longevity, instant on-off, and consistent brightness over time. One user shared, "After upgrading from a lamp-based projector, the difference is night and day. Laser instant on is incredibly convenient, and the 30,000-hour lifespan means over a decade without maintenance worries." The most common objection? Price compared to budget projectors. Here's the truth. You'll spend more replacing lamps in 5 years than investing in laser now. No mercury means safer tech around family. Future pacing this, imagine 10 years from now, still enjoying flawless 4K while lamp projector owners are on their 6th replacement cycle. Which matters most to you? The gaming responsiveness, the zero maintenance longevity, or the instant on convenience? Look, constant lamp anxiety and dim projectors don't have to ruin your home theater anymore. Thousands of gamers, movie enthusiasts, and home theater builders are already using the Optoma UHZ36 4K UHD laser projector daily to enjoy cinema-quality images and lightning-fast gaming without maintenance headaches. You get 30,000 hours of laser brightness, 4K HDR clarity, and 4.2 milliseconds gaming performance in one future-proof package. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment. Click and experience the difference today. Your home theater deserves this upgrade.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.